For day 4 of School Psychology Awareness Week, I talked to Dr. Lisa Richardson, school psychologist at H.E. Corley Elementary and Harbison West Elementary. She focused a little bit more on how they work directly with parents to help the students succeed in the classroom.
I would share with parents that through the evaluation process, we are obtaining information that we can use to help their child be successful at school, and that they are part of the process. And so all the information that we gather, that we obtain, we will share with parents, and as a team, because parents are a part of our team, we'll make decisions about what is best to help their child be successful at school. So I would try to ease that anxiety or the nervousness about an evaluation by letting them know that it's a process that we gather information and we use that information to help their child. When we're in the planning process, making the decision to do an evaluation, parents are involved. We meet with parents to discuss their concerns, to discuss teacher concerns, and so they're part of the process from the very beginning. And once we develop a plan and make the decision to do an evaluation, they are part of that process. And then in the evaluation process, parents are involved by giving information about their child, developmental history, information about their child's academic experiences, behavioral experiences, and we do interviews with parents. So they give us a lot of information, particularly about how their child functions in the home, and then we have our information that we gather from the school. So they're very involved in the evaluation process from the beginning by letting us know all of their child's history. I think it's very common. I think because environments, expectations in different environments, that children will behave differently at home or at school, maybe at church, just different settings, their expectations at different settings. Children know they can behave one way in one setting, maybe they have more rules or more structure in different settings. So I think that's pretty common, just because every environment is different, and just like adults, we behave differently when we're in different environments, and so I think children do the same. I think we're a resource, and so I think we can support parents by giving suggestions, helping them process what the difficulties are, and giving advice. Also, as a referral source, we're able to give information about outside referrals if that's something that parents need. So I think we're a good resource, a good support for parents. I think we're able to listen. We're kind of removed in the sense that we're not the classroom teacher, so we're then able to kind of listen to what parents have concerns with and then be that support and resource for them. What I usually always tell parents is to get on their level, sit down, kind of make that eye contact, so that you're able to communicate with them and they can kind of see you, hear you. I always say be very clear and direct with what you want to share with your child, but just be on their level.